I just got a horse kiss. I wish I would have caught that on the camera. I had my arm up on the fence, and this beauty here gave me a kiss because I snuck a little something in. I enjoy the young ones the most. They're still developing that personality, and they can go one way or the other, or in between. As long as you socialize with them when they're really young, like I'm doing right now, this is going to be a good horse. Go for a walk. It's so serene for me when I come here. So I just think about what I want for my future life. And look how they follow you around. 1, 2, and 3 white feet. The legendary 3 socks. My favorite of all. We got 2 socks is over there, and 3 socks is right here. This horse knows me well. Yes, this horse knows me well. You know, this is a educational center, but it's actually, they have to work it. It's like a working ranch. So